Hello guys, welcome to Creative Mind. So here we are going to see chapter 13, sound. So sound plays a very important role in our lives, and it helps us to communicate with one another. We hear a variety of sounds in our surroundings. So in musical class there is harmonium, tabla, sitar, flute, several musical instruments. They gives a pleasant sound. But if they play so so loudly and harshly, then it makes the sound unpleasant. Okay, so we are going to see this chapter only about sound. What is frequency of sound and what is hertz, etc. So first we are going to see about sound produced by human ears. In humans, the sound is produced by vocal cords. So this is the voice box. This is the voice box or larynx. It will be called as voice box or larynx. So this part of the body is known as the voice box, and it is the upper end of the windpipe, and two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx. In way when we speak, it will be moving and with the help of a passage of air. So now we have seen what way the voice cord and how it helps. But do you know how what is a medium of progression of a sound? So still how much sound can a human being can hear? Let's see. So if you have taken able to suck all the air in the tumbler, you will not listen any sound. Actually, sound needs a medium to travel. So sounds needs a medium to travel. So I just give an example. In the moon, you can't hear any sound. In the moon, if you go, if any astronauts go to moon, they can't hear any sounds because there is no medium. So the sound cannot travel if there is no medium, the sound cannot travel. So actually, sounds need a medium to travel. So when air has been removed completely from a vessel, it is said that there is vacuum in the vessel. So then the sound cannot travel in a vacuum. So we're going to see about the ear, how we hear things from our ears. So the shape of the outer part of the ear is like a funnel, and when sound enters it, it travels down a canal at the end of which there is a thick stretched membrane. It is called the eardrum. So it performs an important function. So this is called the eardrum, and the eardrum is like a stretched rubber band, and sound vibrations make the eardrum vibrate, and the eardrum sends vibrations to the inner ear. So this is called the inner ear, and this inner ear signal goes to the brain, and we can hear this in this process. So the number of oscillations per second is called the frequency of oscillations. Oscillations means the number of times we hear. So the number of oscillations per second is the frequency oscillation, and the frequency is expressed in hertz. So the sound coming from our ears is called the hertz. So I just want to give a reason why dogs can hear much than human beings, because the frequency for human beings is 20 hertz, but dogs have more than 20 hertz, so they can hear all this some more distant sounds. So that's why dogs can hear all the sound. Okay, so in fact the sounds of frequencies less than 20 vibrations per second, 20 hertz, cannot detect by human ear. Okay, so our human ear range of audible frequency is roughly from 20 to 20,000 hertz. So less than 20,000 hertz human can't hear, and more than 20,000 hertz it become noise pollution. So less than 20 is called as low pitched sound, and more than 20,000 is called as high pitched sound. So this words only for humans. I think you have understood the chapter 13 sound. So this is a quick recapitulation. Like, share and subscribe to Creative Minds for more videos.